everyone, welcome to another video for SimonsStamp.com. I'm starting out with some 120-pound ultra thick cardstock from Simons Stamp, and I've cut that cardstock in half, and then I'm scoring it at 5.5. This will create a side folding card. This is a landscape card, and even though I've scored it, I'm not going to fold it in half right away because I'm going to do some stamping and coloring. I'm using this image from Saturated Canary called Queenie and Princess, and this image reminds me so much of my two nieces. They're really close in age, and just thinking of them playing pretend and playing princess and things like that. So I thought I would go ahead and stamp this on the front of this card and then color it. Now this image is quite large, so it's a really great image to kind of test out or try out your coloring, your skin tones and hair and things like that, because it's so large and you're not going to need to decorate the rest of your card. If you wanted to, you definitely could, but since this image does take up quite a bit of the card front, it doesn't look as strange just to leave it as is. And I wanted to mention that we have a Copic sale going on right now at SimonsStamp.com. So go ahead and check that link that's down in the video description or the link that's on screen right now. It will take you directly to our Copics at our store, and you can get a good deal on your Copic markers. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the coloring process and turn on some music and just let you guys watch me do a little bit of coloring. So now all the coloring is pretty much done. So I'm going to pick up the card and fold it in half to finish it off. And I'll use my Teflon bone folder to really crease that down. This 120-pound cardstock tends to want to crack, so I usually run my bone folder right along that fold as well, just to kind of smooth things down. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some rounded corners to this card. I'm using the 1/4 inch rounder on my corner chomper. The corner chomper has two sizes, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, and I'm using the smaller of the two. And I'm rounding all 4 corners. And that finishes the card for today, really the coloring for today. Just wanted to remind you of that Copic sale, so check that out. And thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time.